Hello and welcome again to another Ask Nerida Joy video. So I wanted to talk today about something that I had heard from a friend this week that was really disturbing to me. And this friend is in beauty school. She's studying to be an esthetician, and her beauty school instructor had asked them all to bring in clients so that they could work on clients and just be gaining more experience. And one of the girls at the beauty school that's studying to be an esthetician had brought in one of her friends who is in her early 20s, and this particular friend had a lot of acne on her skin. And the instructor apparently had said when she saw this girl that, "I'm sorry, we cannot help you, that you need to go to a doctor, that we only treat blackheads here. We do not treat pimples in any way, shape or form." So when I heard this, was so upset. And I just thought, oh my gosh, here we are learning and training to be skin experts and, people to take care. We as esties, we take care of people's skin. I mean, we want to educate them, we want to help them. And I was just so upset when I heard this, and I just thought, oh my gosh, this poor girl has now left feeling like just beyond horrible. I can't even imagine. But, even for her, even who had a few pimples and, whether they were pustules or papules or whatever type of pimple it was, there's always something we can do, If you don't want to be extracting and you don't want to be working like that, then there's always things you can do, though. You can cleanse. They could have cleansed her skin. They could have done a light exfoliant, and again, very lightly, and even just done a mask on the skin, some steam and mask, and maybe a little high frequency. But I felt so terrible for this poor girl that has now left feeling even worse about her skin, and being told that, that she couldn't be treated at a beauty school where everybody there is learning to, learning the skin, learning about acne and learning about all kinds of different skin problems that people suffer with. So I was just so upset to hear this, and I wanted to share that with you. If you are choosing not to work with people that have pustules and papules and different forms of pimples, then there's things you can do still to help people. So I want you guys to know that, and I just feel really bad for these girls in beauty school that are there learning to eventually come out as a licensed esthetician to not know how to handle a pimple. To me, again, is just odd. So thank goodness this was a reminder of I am so grateful for my training and where I come from. I think, there's always things you can do to help people, and I think, one needs to be very, very conscious of how you make people feel, because it's up to us, everything we do, it matters, right? So that's something that I want to share with you today, and I hope you are having a wonderful day, and I will be back again to see you all next week. Bye-bye.